Japan, this particular society. Japan remains one of my favorite countries in Asia. Not because it's the second largest economy in the entire world, but I have some very personal experiences and memory. Right here, University of Tokyo, the premier university, I spent 6 months of time during my PhD dissertation, and I was given the fellowship, emperor, those kinds of things, and I have a real good memory of this country, and I will share with you a personal experience a little later. But as we go along, let me tell you that this particular country is a fascinating country, often misunderstood, not for strange reasons, and you will discover very soon why this country is misunderstood so much.
Let's go to the second one. What do you or did you know about Japan?
Okay, well, I know it's a country like millennial, with a culture millennial, with all many years of history. It has millennial, because it has more than 1,000 years of culture.
Okay.
Okay. I also know that it was not well known until the 19th century, and after that it became like westernized and known by the Western society.
Yeah. Who are famous Japanese for you? Yusa?
The emperor.
Who?
The emperor.
Emperor. Oh, okay. Have you met him?
No.
If you get a chance, no, you might want to knock the door and just see he's there or not. And that really matters to the greeting. I mean, order of the greeting. Your boss has to greet first before you greet him.
Hey, Thunderbird. You're in the middle of Tokyo looking at the new cars for 2009, thinking about buying the Skyline. About 42,000, so you're going to need a little bit of a down payment on it. So.
Care to demonstrate? It automatically $5,000. 1,000 is 5,000.
Watching what you're doing.